Hey, also I'm going to show you how to make sure your Flipgrid is linked as an external tool on Canvas so you can connect it to your gradebook. So you're going to go down to whatever course you want to add this Flipgrid to. You're going to go to settings and you want to make sure your Flipgrid is added as an external tool through the apps section. So when you get to settings, go over to the top to apps, and then I already have it added, but if you don't have it added, it'll pop up and it'll say Flipgrid, and it's going to ask for a code. It'll say add app, and then it'll ask for a code and all that stuff. So you can add it. Once you do that, it's going to ask for your consumer ID and a secret code. To get that, you go up here on your Flipgrid account. So now I'm in Flipgrid in a different tab. Go to the smiley, go to integrations, and then you're going to add a new integration. So let's just say PE classes, create, and when you create it, it's going to give you this consumer key and this shared secret code. And let's say we wanted to add app, that's where you would put this information in. So let's go ahead and do that. And the good thing is that you can just, it copies it for you. So you don't have to have any of that information. And we add app. So now Flipgrid, the app was added successfully. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go to assignments. And we're going to add an assignment. And you would just add it like you would add any kind of assignment. And then you're going to put your assignment name, Flipgrid 101, and then whatever directions you have for your students. And then you're going to go down here where you want it to be, how you want it to grade it. And then usually it auto-populates to no submission, but you're going to come down and do the external tool, and then you're going to find your Flipgrid. And this is what syncs it to your gradebook, right? So when they submit it, it tells your gradebook who submitted it. So you're going to have Flipgrid, and then if you click this, it'll load it in a separate tab, but if you have it unchecked, it'll load it right here into your Canvas page. Your number of attempts. Make sure you click this if you want to sync it to the student information system or the gradebook, who you want to assign it to, and then the due date. And then you're going to save and publish. And then when we go to our assignment, it's loading. We will see the actual Flipgrid embedded within Canvas, and now you can go here, actions, and edit your topic, and edit all this stuff right here, whatever you want to do. And you can change the recording time. All of that stuff is within the assignment submission part on Canvas. And there you go. And now you see it's connected to your speed grader. So all of that information will be put into your gradebook.